talk. I won't be doing a lot of talking. It will be mostly shouting. I want to know, folks, who wants to be a millionaire? Excellent. Woohoo! Let's go. Well, for this show, there's no money actually involved, and the image was, fair use policy, so please don't sue me. But I will need, come on, don't boo me for this. I will need a couple of volunteers, so get ready to play Who Wants to Be a Millionaire Python Iterables Edition. What are we doing today? The levels we're going for, we're starting at the bottom at the LLM level, then we're going to climb to junior level, mid level, senior level, and if we reach the peak, we're going to play for Guido level. This is what we are set out to do. Question number 1, to warm up, can I get a brave volunteer very quickly? Someone who's okay to shout, I swear this is going to be easy. Come on, folks. Excellent. I see a volunteer up there. I see 2 actually, so let's go with the person at the very back, because it's easier to describe where you are. Very well. So what is the output of the following Python program? It's this one. So option A, option B, C, and D. But wait, there's a help. Do you want to use the base 64 decode of the options? Yeah? Of course you want. So is it option A, B, C, or D? You got this. I hope you don't have like dyslexia or anything. Option A. Do you folks agree? Is it option A? By applause, who thinks it's option A? And you are correct. Congratulations, you're now a junior developer. Now, for question 2, going from junior to mid, who wants to play with me? Is it the... Okay, excellent. Also at the... No, not at the back, the person that said before. So you right there. Yeah, I got you. All right, so what is the output of the following Python program? Take a quick look. All right, is it A, class generator, B, class gen expr, C, class list, or D, class tuple? Wait, there's a help. Do you want to know what an LLM replied to this question? So ChatGPT said it's option A. Do you want to go with option A, or do you think not a good idea? Okay, A. Folks, by applause, who thinks it's option A? Not as unanimous, but still correct. So it was yes, class generator, congratulations, you're now a mid-level developer. Folks, 3rd question. From mid-level to senior, I need a brave volunteer to play. Someone from this side, maybe? No? No one is brave? No? So going back to excellent. At the back, close to the exit door in case the question is very difficult. Out of the 20 tools in the module itertools, how many of those are iterables? Option A, 19, option B, 20, option C, 1, or option D, 0. But wait, you don't have to answer right away. There's a help. If you want, you can get help from someone from the audience. Do you want to get help, or are you okay? You'd like to get help. Okay, you can ask anyone, including me. Okay, so you have somewhere over there? A, do you think it's option A? Folks, by applause, who thinks it's option A? Okay, and you are correct, if the clicker works. Again, very well done, folks. You're now, the 2 of you, you're sharing a senior position. Now for the final question, from senior level to Guido level, who wants to play? Excellent. I like your mustache. What is the output of the following Python program? Now, I'm going to zoom out because it doesn't really matter whether you can read it or not. Option A, 1800, B, 0, C, Lithuania, heart, snake, or option D, syntax error. Wait, you don't have to answer right away. Do you want to get help? I can flip the options if it helps. Also, the first 3 questions, the correct answer was A. Just saying. So what is it going to be? I have 30 seconds left, which means you have no time left. A, B, C, or D? D. It is D because I forgot a parenthesis. Congratulations, you're now Guido. Round of applause for our volunteers. And now for something completely different, if you want a UV cheat sheet. Thank you, folks.
Okay, folks,